Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we are doing another lovely installment of Should It Stay or Should It Go? I have two pieces from my closet. Y'all are going to help me to decide if it should go back in my closet or if it should go to a new home. I will try everything on for you. I will tell you a little bit about them if I know how much I paid for them, all that good stuff. A lot of these things may be over 2 years old, so we're gonna have to see if we think they're still in style, if I should wear them or not. A lot of them are probably going to be around 2X because I'm trying to get that stuff out of my closet to make room for all the other stuff I have bought and see what I need to buy for, fall, winter, because we had our first almost freeze last night and it's really set in. Oh, I may need to get long sleeves out now, put the shorts and things away. So here are the two shirts for today. By the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm so glad you have come to join our community, and I'd love it if you press that subscribe button. Don't forget to tell your friends about the channel. There's a little share button for that. I'd love it if you would also give this video a thumbs up and press the notification bell. And if you want to donate to your creator, there are two ways to do that. You can use the super thanks down here through YouTube, or you can buy me a coffee. There's a link below for that. Now let's get to the clothes. This one I think is adorable. Look, it's got this little cutout right here, which is not too much, but it does give you a little bit of fun. I love the color. You know I love the color. It has a cute little bit of a bell sleeve to it. This is from Maurices. Kind of a tunic length to it. Very cute. I'm just afraid it's going to be too big on me because it is a 2X. Very soft material. I think it's a polyester, but it's a nice feeling polyester. Yeah, 100% polyester. Machine wash, cold light colors, tumble dry low, iron if needed. I probably have only worn it once or twice because I shrunk out of a lot of these clothes, but I think it's really cute. Our next option is another one from Maurices. Can y'all tell I love this store? Oh my goodness. This one is also a 2X blouse. This one is so cute if you have a V-neck sweater underneath, with the little sticking out. Oh my goodness, I love stuff like that. Or it would go great under a blazer or as it is. Very cute little top. It does have a little bit of a cinch right here. These are not always my favorite things, but I mean, I wore it. No, I didn't wear it. It's got the tags on it. $29 is what it says from Maurices. So I didn't ever wear this one, but it is a nice little shirt, polyester, machine wash cold, light colors, tumble dry low, cool iron if needed. Same instructions. Cute little pink shirt. You call that pink or salmon? I don't know. Anyway, I will try both of these on and then you can tell me if it should stay or if it should go. I'm really excited. I think this will be fun. Some cute little short videos. By the way, this one's about a 3/4 sleeve. Show you the difference. Alright, I guess it's time for me to try all this stuff on, and I may need to stop and see what all the girlies are saying on my collab chats. Ooh, watch out for collabs. There's giveaways amongst us, y'all. Giveaways amongst us. See y'all back in a second. Alright, so since we're just doing tops today, I didn't put you back as far as I normally do because I'd have to move a whole bunch of stuff. And I don't have time for all that today. So this is my outfit for today. I am wearing this cute little pumpkin top that I got from Maurices. My jeans are, that's a good question. My jeans are Democracy jeans. They're just a cute little utility jean. Not even a full length. Alright, let's try these clothes on. And this was just okay. It's like I said, I don't love this. I just think it looks weird. Still a little big on me. I don't know that I love this one. This one might have to go. What do y'all think? I know I haven't been tucking or anything. Not that it would look good with these pants. Well, I mean, it's not bad. What do we think? Alright, so here we have the green Maurices top. I actually think I could pull this off still. I mean, I can get away with the 2X, I think. What do y'all think? Should I retire the 2Xs or should I actually keep them? I think it's cute. It's not too much bell sleeve, but it's a little bell sleeve. It's a little funky fun boho, like I am. And you see, you can kind of see through it, but it's just not too much. What do we think? I got mixed feelings, y'all. I've got mixed feelings. I think it would still work. What do y'all think? I mean, would you just go ahead and get rid of it and make room for the stuff that is perfectly fitted, or would you still keep this and wear it? And the same for this one. Actually, I'm leaning more towards it should go on this one because of that one little spot in the middle. I don't know why that drives me crazy. Does that drive anybody else crazy, or is it just a weird me thing? So let me know if you think they should stay or go. I'm kind of leaning towards go and stay, but I don't know, maybe this one should go. I'm going to watch it back, of course, and I want to hear what y'all think because y'all are the deciding factor for so much of the stuff. You have no idea. Thank you so very much for spending part of your time with me. Don't forget to press all those lovely YouTube buttons. I hope the rest of your day is wonderful, and God bless.